Hey meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and if you're looking to end all of this heat and humidity, we have pretty good news for you. So let's talk about Thursday morning first of all. Now you may get a lingering shower, even a thunderstorm early Thursday morning, but I think the chance of that is pretty small of happening. I do think there will be some lingering clouds around on Thursday morning, but we should get to the mid-80s by around noontime. I think some partly sunny skies by the afternoon. So it's not necessarily all that cool, but certainly cooler than what we had on Wednesday, and humidity will be a bit lower too, especially during the afternoon. So we will take it. You can see by location tomorrow, mid-80s should be the general rule for places like Providence, Smithfield, Taunton. Along the south coast, a little bit of a sea breeze developing during the afternoon should pull those high temperatures back into the upper 70s to low 80s, so not a bad day at the beach. Again, if you're looking to hit the beach early in the morning, there may be a stray shower or some clouds around to start the day, so it may be a day of patience to wait for that full sun to arrive. And speaking of the beach, we'll call for morning clouds, PM partly cloudy skies, and a slight chance of a shower, temperature around 80 degrees at the beach. In terms of precipitation, overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning, there might be a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but for the most part, Thursday is rain-free. Now, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. There are the clouds I was talking about, maybe a quick shower sprinkle. And then during the afternoon, you're not seeing much here, but because that front will be kind of lazy in how it clears out of our area, it may have just enough of a punch to it to kick up a quick shower or thunderstorm Thursday afternoon. But I think that would be the exception rather than the rule, which is what we like to hear for your Thursday afternoon. Hey, thanks so much for watching. You can get more updates right here on WPRI.com. We'll be updating things, and we'll keep temperatures actually pretty comfortable by Friday. We're talking low to mid-80s with a humidity not non-existent but more reasonable. We'll take it, and then the weekend looks pretty good too. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.